In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace for email marketing. We'll start right inside your Squarespace dashboard. First, open the main menu and head to Contacts. This is your central hub for managing the people who interact with your site, visitors, customers, and subscribers. Taking a moment to get comfortable here will make the rest of your email marketing much easier. Next, move into Lists and Segments. This area helps you organize people into targeted groups so your messages are relevant. Keeping your audience organized from the beginning saves time and improves results. Click Create Mailing List. You're setting up the container that future emails will be sent to. When prompted, type a name for your list. Choose something clear and specific like newsletter subscribers or event attendees, so you and your team instantly know who belongs here. Descriptive names make it easier to segment and report later. Now click Save. You've created the list structure and it's time to add people to it. Select Add Subscribers. You'll see different ways to bring contacts in. For this walkthrough, choose Add an Individual Subscriber. This is perfect when you're just getting started or need to quickly add one person you have explicit permission from. Click next to open the subscriber details. Type the email address carefully. This is your primary contact point, so double check for typos, then type the first name and the last name. Adding names is worth the extra seconds because personalization can lift open and click rates. If you don't have a name, that's okay. You can still send, but you'll miss out on personalized greetings. You'll see an option that says these subscribers accept marketing. Make sure you select this only if you have clear consent from the person to receive marketing emails. Consent is essential for deliverability and compliance, and it helps protect your sender reputation. If you're ever unsure, leave it unchecked until you confirm permission. When everything looks good, click Done. Your subscriber is now added to the mailing list you created and ready to receive your campaigns. At this point, you've set up the foundation of your email marketing in Squarespace. You found contacts, organized your audience with lists and segments, created a mailing list with a meaningful name, and added a consented subscriber with accurate details. From here, you can build on this by repeating the process for more individuals or exploring imports and automations when you're ready to scale. Keep your list clean, confirm consent, and use names for personalization. These small habits go a long way toward better engagement and consistent results.